In today's class, children, we are going to discuss about another agricultural practice, that is protection from weeds. So if you are watching all the videos, and I am sure you are watching all that, so you may know that we are discussing the various agricultural practices that are undertaken by a farmer in the process of agriculture. So today we are going to discuss a very important agricultural practices that a farmer do, that is protection from weeds. Now what is a weed? Okay, so now children, if you can recall, I am sure that you must have seen these things at any farm. So if you can recall, just try to relate it. So in a farm, sometimes it happens so that suppose the farm is of wheat. Okay, so sometimes along with the wheat, some undesirable and unwanted plants also grow naturally in the same field along with the crop. So those undesirable plants that we don't need but they grow naturally along with the crop are called as weeds. Suppose this farm is of a corn, maize. Along with the maize you can see small plants out here. Yes, so these plants grow naturally along with the crop. So these undesirable plants that we don't need, that is of no use. So these undesirable plants are called as weed. Here also this farm is of onion. You can see the onion crops all over. But along with these onions, we can see these undesirable yellowish and greenish plants that grow naturally. So these are called weeds and they need to be removed. So that process of removal of weeds is called as weeding. Okay, so the undesirable plants which grow naturally along with the crop is a weed, and this process of removing it is called as weeding. Now children, it is very important to remove these weeds. Yes, because they may affect the growth of plants. Right, because how will they affect the growth of plants? Suppose there is a space of only 10 students and somehow I can manage to push 100 students. What will happen? All the students will fight for food, they will fight for a space, they will fight for air. Right, the same thing happens in the field also. The space is there for one particular crop, and unwanted plants also fight for the nutrients, they also fight for the sunlight, for the space, for the food, for the water. So ultimately the growth and the yield of the crop decreases. So that is the reason why it is very important for the farmer to remove these weeds. Okay, also sometimes they may interfere in the harvesting process. So now what is harvesting? Harvesting is nothing but just the cutting of crops once it is ready. So if we will not remove these undesirable plants, if we will not remove these weeds, so along with the main crop, these weeds will also be harvested. And that is very bad situation because these weeds can be poisonous. Right? These weeds are poisonous. These weeds can be sometimes poisonous for human beings and animals. So we need to remove them. Farmer need to remove them for the better production. If the farmer is using the best quality of seed, he is giving fertilizers, manures, he is using the modern methods of irrigation, but if he will not remove these unwanted weeds, unwanted plants, the yield will not be better. The production will not be as good as it should be. So it is very important to remove these weeds. Okay, now the farmers adopt a lot of ways to get rid of these weeds. They adopt physical methods, they adopt chemical methods, sometimes they do it with the help of machine, sometimes they use chemicals to kill these unwanted plants. So let us discuss the ways the farmers adopt to kill these weeds. So now farmer may use two methods broadly. It can be physical method or chemical method. By physical method, what do we mean? Yes, physical method means something which we can do physically. So in the physical methods, the farmer sometimes uproot the weeds manually, either by hands or with a khurpi or any agricultural tool. Now here you can see a farmer is uprooting the weeds. The farmer is uprooting the unwanted plant with the help of this hoe. Or sometimes farmer uses khurpi to uproot this. And tilling is also another way of uprooting the unwanted weeds. So as you can see here, this is a seed drill. So seed drill is used to till the soil. Tilling means tossing and turning of soil to loosen the soil. So when we do a seed drill, so what happens is that the weeds also get get uprooted and they then mix up with the soil, they dry up and they die. So this is another way of removing the weeds, and this is done before sowing of the seed. Before we sow the seed, at that time we can do this method of uprooting the weeds. So now, how physical method helps? So tilling before sowing of crops help in uprooting and killing of weeds. Manual method, and they can also be done by seed drill. Now the another method of doing that is chemical method. By the name it suggests that in this they use some sort of chemicals. Yes, so these weeds can be controlled by using some chemicals, and these chemicals are called as weedicides. Okay, like fertilizers. Remember, fertilizers are the chemicals which give nutrients to the plants. Similarly, these weedicides are some chemicals which are used to kill the weeds, which are used to kill the unwanted plants. For example, 2,4-D is a type of weedicide which is commonly used by the farmers. So in this, the farmer take up the chemical, they dilute it in water to the extent it is required, and then they put it in a spray, and with the help of sprayer they spray it in the farm. Now these weedicides doesn't harm the crop, they are specifically made for only the weeds. So they kill the weeds in the farm and it doesn't harm the main crop. Now while operating these weedicides, the farmer has to be very cautious, because these weedicides can be harmful for the farmer or to any man who is handling this. So they should cover their mouth or they should cover their nose while they are spraying these weedicides in a farm. Alright, so I hope children by now you have understood what is a weed, what is weeding, what are the methods adopted by farmers to control weeds, and what are weedicides. So I hope this class is clear to you by now, and this was for today. In our next class we will study about harvesting. Till then, take care.